This is what I normally do anytime I feel my skin is not looking bright, or anytime I feel my skin is dull. This will help you if your case is like that. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty treatments using some natural things you can find at home to make sure your skin is looking healthy, bright, uniform, spotless, and glowing. With this, you can get baby skin. Baby skin, I mean, is a flawless, beautiful skin, a smooth skin, a younger skin. So continue watching if you have pigmentation. So consider subscribing if you love natural treatments like this. Also like and share this video. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos you get to see and come and watch. So the ingredients here are safe for all skin types, whether you are sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin. If you have wrinkles, you will benefit from this also. If your skin is oily, like very oily, use this treatment. Thank me later. So the first ingredient I added here is oat powder. So this oat, I bought it from the supermarket. Very good. Like, you can get any brand of oat powder. There are different textures of oat powder in the supermarket. All you have to do is just to get it, blend it into a more fine powder, use it. Oat helps to delay signs of aging by fighting free radical damage that always makes you have a dull skin, to have a wrinkled skin or saggy skin. So whether your case is forehead wrinkles, jaw wrinkles, any part, this will help you. In case you have dead skin cells, thanks goodness, this oat powder will help to exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cells, and it will reveal a bright uniform skin, a healthy skin that glows. Exfoliating your skin is very important so that skincare products like your facial cream, your body cream will penetrate well into your skin and work better. I didn't just wake up overnight and my skin is looking good. No, I've been taking care of it. I'm still taking care of it. You can check my last videos, you will see it for yourself. Oat powder is also very good for those that have dry skin. If your skin is dry, use it to keep your skin plump, hydrated, moisturized. You will love it. If you have itchy skin, you will love it. So the next one I also use is turmeric. Turmeric is a very good antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin, also fight signs of aging. So if you have sunburn, you can use turmeric to brighten that area, but you must prevent that sunburn so that it will not come back again. Okay, so for those that have sunburn, just contact me. I have skincare products that will vanish it totally, and I'll also give you the one that will prevent it permanently. All right, so turmeric also brightens the skin in case your skin is dull. If you have pigmentation, this will help. If you have blemishes, if you have dark spots, but this treatment is not mainly for dark spots. All right, so the next one I use is aloe vera gel. So you can use any type of aloe vera. Aloe vera keeps the skin hydrated, supple, natural, and beautiful. It also helps to repair the skin, to get rid of bleached skin. If your skin is damaged, like as a result of products or using birth control method, hormonal issues, or so many things, side effects of taking medications, aloe vera will help to restore your skin back to normal. When it comes to lightening or brightening, you can't say aloe vera gel will brighten your skin. No, it doesn't brighten the skin. It's just like a treatment, and also to nourish your skin and prevent harmful free radical damage that will make your skin go bad. You also have to get rose water. I will tell you how to use it. So this is the time to tell you the measurements. Measurement is very important here. What I did, I added 1 tablespoon of oat powder. If you don't have oat powder, please make use of rice powder. They are all good. If you don't have oat powder, you don't have rice powder, you can use corn starch or corn flour. So I added also half tablespoon of turmeric powder. If you have so much blemish skin, like so much blemish on your skin, use more of turmeric powder. So after that, I added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So that is because I just love it in my treatment, and also just adding it to show you how to use it. Aloe vera also helps to prevent saggy skin. If your skin is saggy, dropping, like a saggy jaw, you can use aloe vera. It helps, but not alone. Okay, adding with the right ingredients to work better. So after that, you have to mix thoroughly. If you mix this treatment and your treatment is dry, you just have to add rose water little by little to make it form a smooth paste. So in case your treatment is watery, just go on and add more of the powder ingredients and you're all good. So for those that will ask, oat powder is the one for eating, like is edible. Just go to the supermarket, get it. Okay, so in case you want to use rice powder, just get it and use, but you can also make your rice powder at home. So after mixing it and everything is uniform and well smooth, just remove all makeups, wash your face thoroughly, then go on and apply this treatment on your face. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly do so. I don't have makeup, but even if your face is clean, it's very important to damp it or wet it so that this treatment will penetrate further and work better. So I'm going to apply it right now. Okay, so mine is a little thick, like I'm going to just add my rose water straight away. I've added it before, but sometimes it will just thicken up a little again, so just adding it one more time. Add it one more time. So you just mix it. Do not allow it to be watery, please, so that it will not be running down your face. Remember, turmeric can stain your wears, okay, like your garments, so you have to be careful. So this consistency is okay, not watery and not so thick. So it's time to apply it. So remember, if you have sunburn, please target on your sunburn. If you have dark spots, this will help to reduce it, but it will be slow because this is not majorly for dark spots. If you have blemishes, this is just okay. So you can apply this treatment on your face and all over your body. You can just apply only your face. If you apply only your face, it's going to get brighter than your body because of the turmeric. But in case your body is brighter than your face, you can just use it only on your face. Apply under your eye. I didn't mention this. It helps to reduce dark eye circle. Very good. So just go on and apply anywhere you need it. Okay, so after this, I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes. So when it gets dry, you notice the tightening effect. That is to show you that it's time to wash it out. So I'm going to leave it on. I'll be right back. Okay, so wash it out. After washing it out, you notice that that part you applied it will look brighter, and that is because of the turmeric. Remember, so turmeric brightens the skin. It keeps your skin looking flawless. Please remember to apply on your neck as well. So if you want overall uniform skin, apply all over your body and you see your skin looking the same. So this is just a perfect treatment for those that have blemishes. If you have pigmentations, you have dark eye area, like dark eye circle, if you have dark spots, remember, for dark spots, gradually. So for those that have wrinkles, apply this to get baby skin, to have a smooth, beautiful skin that glows. So go on and apply this 3 times weekly or every day if you want, especially during this time that everyone wants to look beautiful naturally. Use this treatment, thank me later. And this will also enable your skincare products like your cream, your facial soap to work better, because your skin is well exfoliated and the results will amaze you. So go on and try it out. Okay, for those that want to purchase my skincare products naturally made by me, contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give you the best. You can see the products looking so good, but if you try it, you will love it more. So go on and try this natural skincare and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and like this video. I'll see you next time.